Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file, and they want to do this. They want to put a cut line, 2mm cut line around the graphic. Well, you can see that it's got a white background that somebody tried to use the eraser tool on. So what we're going to do, we're going to make a plus, hit the plus key and make a duplicate of that graphic. Now, normally I would reduce it in size, but I'm not going to for this video. It'll take a little bit longer. Trace bitmap, outline trace clip art. It's going to take just a second because it's pretty big size. And I could have reduced it, and Corel probably would have done it faster. But this is going to help you get rid of the white background for the first thing, and then be able to allow us to put a cut line around it. It's almost there once it hits. There we go. Now, if we move that out of the way, you can see we got rid of the white background. Now, I would look at it pretty closely and probably ungroup it and get some of these little bitty parts that it maybe did not trace good. Maybe just take those nodes and delete them. But you can, well, I deleted the yellow box. But you can see that we're working with the real graphic. Let me just clean this up real quick. So if you grab those two nodes and right click and turn them into a line, that'll get rid of that little blurriness. And you could clean up around the whole thing. Not really necessary. But then what we're going to do, we're going to take a rectangle and put it around the whole thing. And we're going to grab the Smart Fill tool, doesn't matter what color, and we're going to fill that in. And we've got the shape of our item. We don't have to change colors, but I'm going to change color just for the video. So now you can see I'm going to fill in the inside. And then I'm going to nudge, and remember I'm nudging the whole time, and I'm going to put it right on top of that. And I'm going to select both of them and go intersect. And what that did, that took our graphic and took out the white background completely. But we have our real graphic and not this digitized graphic. So we took out the white background on the whole thing. Now, because we've nudged again, we can actually take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in, move that over. We can left click, right click and make it black. Go to open your contour tool, outside, rounded corners, 2mm is what he was asking for. Then go up to object, break contour apart. If you grab the center one, just move it out of the way and take the other one and move it over. So now you have a 2mm cut line around that graphic. And you can see where if I had not cleaned that up, it would be not as perfect. And see, like right here, if you would have, and you could still change your cut line, by doing stuff like that and smooth up your cut line. Anyway, hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.